Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an interesting place you have been to with a friend. You should say what and where the place is, who you went with, when you went there, what you did there, and explain why you think it is interesting. So as you all can see, there are 5 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 5 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, I like exploring different places, including cafes, restaurants, and so on, with my family members or with my friends. And today, I would like to speak about Rangla, Punjab, which is a traditional Punjabi themed village located in Jalandhar. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year I visited this place with my friend Preet to celebrate her birthday in a special and unusual manner. So, unusual means different. That means you wanted to celebrate it in a special and a unique manner. Moreover, this place was set up like a rustic village and had lot of fun activities like puppet show, magic trick show, as well as camel riding, which seemed to be a little scary in the beginning, especially when the camel was getting up, but eased soon after. So rustic means something that is typical of a village or countryside area. Okay. Eased means to become easy. So if you have done camel riding, you must be knowing that when the camel gets up, it seems that you will just fall because of the way it gets up, but then it becomes a little bit easier. So that's what we are trying to say here. Besides that, we also tried our hands on pottery making, immersing our hands in soft clay, and creation of exquisite art, which was an exhilarating experience. So, immersing means soaking, exquisite means something that is beautiful and delicate, exhilarating means interesting or exciting. Okay. Furthermore, we also witnessed colorful conventional Punjabi artifacts ranging from traditional footwear to floral embroidered clothwork and the energetic dance form Bhangra, which was truly entertaining. Witnessed means saw, conventional again means traditional. So, artifact is an object that depicts culture and tradition. Alright, so let's continue. We also got a chance to eat some authentic Punjabi dishes, including mustard leaves curry and corn flatbread, which was an icing on the cake. So, we have used an idiom here which is icing on the cake, which means to make something good even better. Okay? Finally, I felt on seventh heaven as we were able to spend the day in an exciting manner, engaging in different activities throughout the day, and I still cherish the sweet memories of my friend's birthday. So, we have used another idiom here which is feel on seventh heaven, which means to be very happy. Engaging means involve, so throughout the day means during the day. Cherish means to remember for a long time. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.